Hey guys, Jason here. I wanted to destroy something sacred today. Yeah. It's time. You think it's real, right? I mean, the clock on your wall, the wrinkles on your face, or at least mine, and the calendar that you dread, right? You think that time is unstoppable. It's some cosmic force, like a fast forward moving arrow that drags us, from the cradle to the grave. But that's not really the truth at all, is it? It's a trick. It's like a hypnotic illusion, coming from a hypnotist. It's like a beautifully synchronized hallucination engineered by memory and worshipped like a god, right? But you yourself, you're not in time. Time is in you. Yeah. So here's what the ancients knew that we've forgotten. That the past is just a memory. Like electrical echoes in the brain, per se. The future itself is imagination, an anxious projection based on patterns. And the present, well, it's so thin you can't even grab it. And by the time you say now, it's already gone. So what is real, right? I mean, it's not the clock. It's not the date. It's not even the schedule. It's only the witness, right? It's only that silent presence watching the whole thing unfold. And it's untouched. I mean, if we look at Vedanta itself, it tells us that Brahman, the absolute, is timeless. He's not bound by birth or death and not aging. He's not even moving. It just simply is. And, because your true self is no different than Brahman, then you too, you're beyond time. That means you were never 5. You were never really 50. You're not the character aging at all. You're the silent observer in the film strip. Yeah. But the weirdest part or the strangest part is time feels real. I mean, all of us can feel it. And that's how good the illusion is. Every habit reinforces it. Every calendar, cements it, and every aging cell screams, look, I'm proof, I exist. But if you actually think a little bit deeper, you've had dreams, they felt like hours, but they were literally seconds, and moments in waking life that flew by, like in the blink of an eye. So what is time really? It's elastic, it's subjective, and it is constructed. Yeah. Einstein proved time bends under gravity, right? But the rishis of India, they went even further. They said, time doesn't exist at all. They called it kala, just another aspect of Maya, the illusionary play of the universe. And in Hindu cosmology, time isn't a line at all. It's a cycle, yugas turning endlessly. We have all the Satya, Treta, Kali, and then, back again. Even the gods aren't immune to it either, except for the self, the Atman, or the soul. So if you want to talk about the Atman is not born. It doesn't die. It doesn't wait. It just watches. It's the witness. It's like a moviegoer who cries during the film, but knows deep down that they're still sitting in a chair. Yeah. So here's the real question. Are you the story? Or are you the screen on which it's all playing? Yeah. So to go even further, have you ever experienced déjà vu? That eerie sense that you've been here before? Maybe that's not a glitch in the brain at all. Maybe it's a leak in the illusion. A moment where your timeless self kind of peeks through, the fabric of memory. And maybe that whisper inside of you that says, I'm not meant to be this small. I don't think that's ambition at all. I think it's remembrance. You're remembering. You're remembering what you were before time started ticking at all. And in the Bhagavad Gita, Krishna says this. He says, I am time, the great destroyer of worlds. But he also exists outside of time. And that there is the real paradox itself. When you transcend time, you don't just become eternal. You realize you already were. Not by waiting, but by waking up. So what does happen when you drop time? I mean, when you stop waiting, when you stop aging, you stop measuring your worth in milestones, birthdays, deadlines, and then suddenly you're here, right now, like you always were. Yeah. Is this starting to make sense? Yeah. So I think that the next time you say something like, I don't have time, it's too late, I wish I could go back, just pause, take a breath and remember that time isn't real at all. Namaste, guys. Have a good one.